Happy Labor Day, everybody. Thank you for showing up to my videos today. Today is Manicure Monday, so today we're going to be doing Labor Day themed colors, and what I picked was a red and white, or red and blue with a sparkly, I don't know if you can see that, sparkly hue of silver, and it's band on, so it'll be like sparkly and very patriotic. Okay, so let's get started, and I'll show you a close-up of how I did it because I still have this hand I need to do. And what I did was a red base and then blue tips. So you'll be seeing how I do it step by step. And it'll be simple and explanatory and very easy to do. Anybody can do this, and yeah. So let's get on with it. As you can tell, I already have my nail background is polished red and everything. These two fingers do not have blue tips, so I need to put those on. And the rest does not have the silver brush on it, so let me get started and show you how I do blue tips. Everybody's different about how they do the two tips on the blues, so and now what we're just going to do is I'm going to take the fan brush that I have set for this. And I already got some silver pushed on the foil here. You can't tell because it blends in with its own color. But as you can tell, I already have some silver on here from these fingers. What we're doing is just dabbing it in. And if you see that there's too much, just dab the excess off to the side. We're going to brush stroke it down. Obviously that was not enough, so we're just gonna do a little bit more. And then we're just gonna brush it on. It has that little sparkly hue to it. I'm gonna do that for every finger, so I'll fast forward to this part. And that's pretty it. So yeah. So that's pretty much explanatory. Very simple, very easy. I know it's kind of hard to tell because my light and everything. And actually it looks a lot better. I'll do a picture after the video ends. Towards the end of the video, I mean. But yeah, so I hope everybody's Labor Day is going well. I'm wondering, what'd you guys do over the weekend? I went to go see my father-in-law and mother-in-law's house. We just had fun as a family and socialized and just chatted. Nothing, major or anything like that. But it was nice. But yeah, it was nice. It was nice to get out of the house and not have to worry about school today for my son. But yeah, tell me in the comments below how your guys' day went and everything, and what you guys did over the weekend for your Labor Day, if you guys celebrated early. Or if you're doing it today, tell me what you guys are planning on doing as a family today. So this is just an explanatory tutorial. DIY, very simple, easy. You wanted to do something for Labor Day theme. But yeah, oh no, I'm getting it on me now. Darn it. But yeah, I hope you guys had a great day today or over the weekend, and just tell me what you guys did, okay? I hope you guys have a great one, and this is a very achievable polish, very simple, very easy, okay? So like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.